If you're not making money online, you're missing out on easy cash. These 4 side hustles can earn you up to $900 a day with 0 skills required, and no one knows about them. From pressure washing trash cans to selling art on Etsy, these ideas require minimal startup cost and offer huge potential. Stick around, because I'll be sharing some exclusive bonuses, including a secret marketing hack and a tool that will double your earnings, revealed throughout the video. Don't let another day go by without maximizing your earning potential. Trash cans stink. Literally. Americans generate almost 5 pounds of trash per person daily, leaving behind dirty, smelly trash cans that attract pests. Here's your solution: a trash can cleaning service. Imagine this. Someone left a flyer at my house advertising this exact service. I thought, who would pay for that? Turns out, a lot of people. I saw a Nextdoor post raving about a mobile trash can cleaning service. Comments were filled with folks excited and ready to pay. Starting this side hustle is dirt cheap. First, you need a pressure washer. No need to break the bank. Grab a battery-powered one for $70 to $150. Make sure it has a soap attachment. For soap, any cheap soap solution from a hardware store works, or use a watered-down mix of Dawn dish soap. Next, get the word out. Post in local Facebook groups, Craigslist, and Nextdoor. They're all free. But here's where you can really up your game. Create door-hanging flyers. You can get 1,000 flyers on Vistaprint for about $100. It's easy, cheap, and effective. Now, let's talk money. People charge around $65 for one-time cleanings and $35 for monthly cleanings, plus $10 for each extra can. To hit $10,000 a month, you need about 154 one-time cleanings or 286 monthly cleanings. That's doable. Clean 4 cans an hour, work 8 hours, and you're looking at over $1,100 a day. Here's the kicker. Once you've established a customer base, start outsourcing the actual cleaning. Hire local workers or even part-timers to handle the dirty work while you manage the business. Pay them hourly or per can cleaned. This way, you free up your time and scale your operations without getting your hands dirty. Use automated tools for your marketing. Schedule posts on social media. Use email marketing to remind clients about their next cleaning, and consider using online booking systems to streamline appointments. Here's a secret marketing hack. Partner with local pest control services. They already have a customer base that hates pests and dirty trash cans. Offer them a referral fee for every customer they send your way. It's a win-win. Trash cans are gross, but cleaning them is easy money. Get a cheap pressure washer, some soap, and start marketing. With the right strategy and by outsourcing the labor, you can turn this simple service into a lucrative, scalable side hustle. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. If you're not selling canvas art with print on demand, you're leaving serious cash on the table. Think about it. I bought some artwork on Etsy, thinking it was handmade. Turns out, it was all produced by a print-on-demand service. The seller wasn't even touching a brush, but they were touching dollars. Let's get rid of those skill barriers. You don't need to be Picasso. Ever heard of motivational quotes, public domain artwork, pulp culture references? These are gold mines. Go to Unsplash for free images. Grab some Photoshop actions from Envato Elements and transform those images into something unique. It's like alchemy for art. Here's the kicker. Getting started is stupid simple. First, create or find your artwork. Use free tools and resource for inspiration. Next, link your Printify account to Etsy. Upload your designs, set your prices, and let Printify do the heavy lifting. They handle printing, packaging, and shipping. You handle the money. Now, let's talk numbers. Selling canvas art can easily scale to a 6-figure income. Imagine pricing your pieces at $200 each. To hit $10,000 a month, you need to sell about 50 pieces. Break it down. That's just 1.7 pieces a day. You can do that in your sleep. Here's a nugget of gold. Leverage Canva Pro. It's not just for creating designs. Use it to make marketing materials, mock-ups, and social media posts. It's your all-in-one design powerhouse. With Canva Pro, you can pump out more designs faster, streamline your workflow, and double your output. More output, more income. Want another tip? Optimize your Etsy listings. Use high-quality images, write compelling descriptions, and don't underestimate the power of SEO. Keywords matter. Research what's trending, what people are searching for, and tailor your listings accordingly. And here's a bonus strategy. Run limited-time offers. Create urgency. People hate missing out. Offer discounts for a limited time or bundle deals. These tactics can skyrocket your sales. To recap, you don't need to be an artist. Use free resources for designs, set up with Printify, and sell on Etsy. Price your pieces right, use the right tools, and optimize your listings. This isn't just a side hustle. It's a scalable business that can turn into a six-figure income stream. Start today, watch the sales roll in, and remember, the money's out there. You just have to grab it. You can earn serious cash by creating simple video reviews for products on Amazon. Think about it. People trust reviews, especially video ones. And guess what? You get paid every time someone watches your review and buys the product. Here's how it works. Amazon pays you a commission for purchases made after someone watches your video. It's a game of numbers. The more views your video gets, the more commissions you rack up. There's almost zero competition. Tons of products have no video reviews. You can swoop in and dominate. Getting started is stupid simple. Grab your phone and start recording. Your reviews don't need to be Spielberg-level productions. Just be honest, concise, and engaging. Can't afford to buy products? No problem. Buy them, review them, and return them. Amazon's return policy is your best friend here. Now, let's talk money. Imagine you review a product that gets 10,000 views and earns you $1 per review. That's $10,000. Repeat this process with multiple products, and you're looking at a significant income stream. To hit $10,000 a month, you need about 10,000 views on several videos, assuming a $1 commission per view. And believe me, with the right products, this is totally doable. Here's a nugget of gold. Focus on high-demand, low-competition products. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to find these gems. Look for products with high sales but few or no video reviews. This is your sweet spot. You'll get more views and higher conversions. Scalability is where this really shines. Once you've got a system down, you can crank out reviews like a machine. The more reviews you post, the more your earnings snowball. Imagine having 10, 20, 50 videos, all generating commissions. It's a passive income powerhouse. Another tip, optimize your video titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords to make your videos easily searchable. Higher visibility means more views, and more views means more money. To recap, Amazon video reviews are a massively untapped income source. Start by recording simple, honest reviews on your phone. Leverage Amazon's return policy to manage costs. Focus on high-demand, low-competition products and scale up quickly. Optimize your content for searchability. This isn't just a side hustle, it's a scalable business model that can generate a steady stream of passive income. The money's out there, waiting for you to grab it. Buy cheap on AliExpress, resell high on Etsy. That's the game. Picture this, a sunset projection lamp for $296 on AliExpress sells for $20 to $34 on Amazon. That's pure profit. How do you find these gems? Start with research. Use Etsy and Amazon to spot top-selling items. Look for products with high sales but low competition. Validate demand with Google Trends and check reviews. High demand and low supply equal your sweet spot. Next, set up your business. Create an Etsy shop and optimize your listings with SEO and killer product images. Good visuals and search-friendly titles are non-negotiable. For marketing, consider pay-per-click ads to drive traffic. They're worth the investment when done right. Think outside the box. Sure, the market can be saturated, but creativity wins. Remember how toilet paper became gold during COVID? Find niche products that meet current demands or solve problems. Seasonal items, trending gadgets, or unique home decor can set you apart. Now, let's talk numbers. Sell each lamp for $30. To hit $10,000 a month, you need about 334 sales. It's a challenge, but with the right product and marketing, it's achievable. Your margin is where you win, turning a few bucks into significant profits. Reselling AliExpress items on Etsy is a gold mine. Research, validate, and optimize. Think creatively to meet market demands and stand out. With the right strategy, you can turn this hustle into a high-revenue business. The market's out there. Grab it. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.